Ship engine control systems are the unsung heroes of maritime operations, ensuring that colossal vessels navigate the seas with precision and safety. Let's break down the different types of systems that keep these ships running smoothly. First up is the manual control system. This traditional approach is often found in older vessels or as a backup in modern ships. Here, skilled engineers operate the engine using physical levers, valves, and gauges. It's all about hands-on control, allowing engineers to directly manage speed, direction, and fuel flow. This method requires constant human intervention, showcasing the engineer's expertise and deep understanding of the engine's mechanics. Next, we have the mechanical control system. This system connects the engine to the control station using robust cables and linkages. It's reliable and provides direct feedback, making it a popular choice for smaller and medium-sized vessels. The simplicity of this system doesn't compromise its effectiveness. It's dependable and ensures that the operator has a clear understanding of the engine's performance. Now, let's talk about the electronic engine control, or EEC system. This is where technology truly shines. Sensors and electronic signals manage critical engine functions like fuel injection and timing. The EEC system enhances fuel efficiency and reduces harmful emissions, making engines cleaner and more powerful. It's a game changer for modern maritime operations, allowing for precise control that was unimaginable just a few decades ago. For navigating tight spaces, the joystick control system is a must-have. This intuitive system allows operators to maneuver vessels with incredible ease, controlling propulsion and rudder movements with just a joystick. It's particularly useful in harbors or during docking, where precision is key. This innovation has transformed how ships are handled, making operations smoother and more efficient. Then we have the integrated control system, which represents the future of ship control. This powerful system links various onboard functions, navigation, propulsion, and engine control into one unified interface. With everything displayed on advanced digital screens, officers can coordinate operations more effectively and monitor the vessel's status in real time. This integration optimizes overall ship efficiency and enhances safety. Finally, let's discuss programmable logic controllers, or PLCs. These specialized computers automate key processes like fuel management and cooling systems. By reducing human error and optimizing engine performance, PLCs ensure that systems operate safely and efficiently, even when human hands aren't directly involved. They are crucial for modern ship automation, allowing for seamless operations. Understanding these ship engine control systems is essential for anyone interested in maritime operations. Each system plays a vital role in ensuring that vessels can operate reliably across the world's oceans. From the hands-on approach of manual controls to the advanced technology of integrated systems, these controls are the backbone of maritime engineering, making safe and efficient navigation possible.